Today I'll be showing you how to get your Binance verified in using your NIN. I know most of us have been having issues verifying your Binance account, but I'll be showing you how to do it. So first of all, you need to download this app NIMC mobile. So in order to download it, you have to go to Play Store and search. So like I already have it installed. So you download it. The app doesn't have this thing, like it doesn't allow screenshots and screen recording, so I won't be able to show you inside or how it goes. But once you download it, you'll be able to, like, you sign up using your NIN, you put your 12 digits, like 11 digits, then you finish the process. After finishing the process, then you go get your this thing, virtual ID. From your virtual ID, since the app doesn't allow screenshots inside, you use a phone, another phone, and take a picture of your this thing, of the NIN, front and back, because you can actually view the front and the back. Then you crop it, then use it and go and this thing on Binance to verify it. Like I've actually used it to verify my this thing, Binance. Well, let me show you just to prove to you that it actually works. As you can see, verified. Look clearly, you see my Binance is verified. So I did it. It worked for me. And let me show you the email, so you don't think like you just have recent. So you actually know it's actually true. See, right? You see, advanced verification confirmed. As you can see, just yesterday. Make sure you actually crop it to an actual size in order for it to work. So thank you.